Hello everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on simple present tense, also known as present indefinite tense. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is option C, rises. The sun rises in the east.
Question 2.
The correct answer is option A,
Go. I go to school every morning. Question 3.
The correct answer is B, don't. I don't like to cook because it is too hot in the kitchen.
Question 4.
The correct answer is option C, does not like. She does not like him.
Question 5.
The correct answer is option A, do. Do they like to play football?
Question 6.
The correct answer is B, don't you love. Don't you love her?
Question 7.
The correct answer is B, doesn't eat. John eats pizza, but he doesn't eat burger.
Question 8.
The correct answer is option C, have. I have a big house.
Question 9.
The correct answer is option A, are. The children are at home.
Question 10.
The correct answer is option C, do we know. Do we know each other? What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.